Really well. They're quite strong students. They all seem to have achieved well, and they've sat paper one, and it looks like a successful year so far. It gives them a chance. Hydraulics and pneumatics gives the students a chance to actually try these things. They're not going to get that opportunity anywhere else. Even on placement, it's unlikely an employer is going to give them the opportunity to use that stuff. So we've been using it, and then our students have taken it out onto different schools to teach pupils, which has been useful. So with the LMS, I've been able to cover most of, if not all, of the content that I've needed to cover anyway. And then I can use because it's online, I can use the LMS to let the students do homeworks, work independently, things like that. It saved me probably hundreds of hours in preparation time, which has been massively useful. Yeah, it allows them to get a grasp of the basics, use the simulator software, use the different examples and see the animations and things, and then they can take that away, revise it, and prepare. And you get the opportunity to set these tasks more than what I would if I was having to create all the resources myself.
Yes, I have. I've used it every week since I started delivering on those two outcomes. I find the resources to be very useful, reliable, informative, and adaptable as well, in that they can be amended and adjusted and updated depending on college requirements.
It's going quite well. We've just finished our paper one for our first year, so now we've only got paper two left. That's more just writing side of it, and we've also got our employee project already finished.
Definitely interesting. It's more good than bad, for instance. You could actually go in depth doing the course you do. So obviously you'd be doing engineering. You see that obviously machines behind us. We've got to do them, learn what they do, how they do it, and just things like that.
They like us get very involved in the practical side, because our first year it's mainly theory. So they comes to LJ Create, and we can use their great equipment to really enhance our theory studies.
I think they've helped because they've given me a practical understanding of how all of the subjects work.
LJ Creates, well, it's in the workshop. They've helped with my understanding of the knowledges of hydraulics, pneumatics, the electrical circuits. It's helped me just advance my knowledge really.
I think it gives you an understanding of how stuff will work in the real world, but it's a lot safer than using full-size machinery. That's powerful.
So it'll give a practical and knowledgeable sense. So in the workplace we'll be able to put all the skills to use that we've learned in the classroom and in the workshop.
Yeah, seeing it in practice, it's a lot more useful than just looking at the theory side, because the theory side is full of technical parts, and seeing it in an actual physical use way, it's easier to understand the PLCs and how we're able to apply them to real world scenarios.
Mostly apprenticeships, higher apprenticeships. We will get some potentially going off to uni. It just depends on what the students' aspirations are.